आज के इस वीडियो में हम चैप्टर 5 से लेकर 7th तक के सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर को आसान शब्दों में समझेंगे। चैप्टर 5 क्वेश्चन 1 व्हाट इज अ सॉल्यूशन? आंसर एनी होमोजेनियस सिस्टम ऑफ 2 or more substances, liquids, solids or gases is a solution. Question 2 define solute and solvent with respect to a solution. Answer the component present in larger amount in the solution is called solvent, whereas the component present in smaller amount in the solution is called solute. Question 3 what is true solution? Answer a true solution is one in which the solute particles cannot be distinguished from the solvent even with the help of a microscope. It is homogeneous in the composition and contains one phase only. The solute particles are less than 10 की power minus 9 meter in diameter. Question 4 what is a saturated solution? Answer a solution which cannot dissolve any more of solid at a given temperature is called a saturated solution. Question 5 does the solubility of every substance in water remain the same? Answer no, the solubility of different substances in water is different. Question 6 what is called a universal solvent? Answer water is called the universal solvent. Question 7 what do you call the ability of a substance to dissolve in water? Answer we call it as the solubility of the substance. Question 8 what is aqueous solution? Answer solution in water is called aqueous solution. Question 9 what is unsaturated solution? Answer a solution which can dissolve more of the solid without raising its temperature is called unsaturated solution. Question 10 name the solvent of sulfur. Answer sulfur is dissolved in carbon disulfide. Question 11 what is suspension? Answer it is a heterogeneous mixture in which solute particles settle down on leaving undisturbed. The size of particles is greater than 10 meter. Question 12 give examples of suspension. Answer 1 muddy water. 2 paint in kerosene. Question 13 give examples of two substances which form suspensions in water. Answer chalk dust and sand. Question 14 write a few properties of suspension. Answer 1 suspension is a heterogeneous solution. 2 the particles of suspension have size greater than 10 के power minus 6 meter. 3 particles of suspension cannot pass through the pores of filter paper. Hence, they can be separated by ordinary filter paper. 4 the particles of suspension can be seen with naked eyes or simple microscope. 5 the particles of suspension settle down on keeping undisturbed for some time. Question 15 describe the appearance of a suspension. Answer a suspension is opaque in appearance. Question 16 what is a colloid? Answer a colloid contains relatively large particles, called the dispersed phase, distributed throughout a solvent-like medium called the continuous phase or the dispersing medium. The size of colloidal particles is 10 की power minus 9 minus 10 की power minus 6 meter in diameter. Question 17 milk is an example of what kind of solution? Answer milk is an example of colloid. Question 18 what are the important properties of colloids? Answer 1 the particles are not visible with naked eyes but can be seen with powerful microscope. 2 they are heterogeneous in nature. 3 the particle size lies between 10 की power minus 9 and 10 की power minus 6 meter. 4 they are translucent in appearance or partially transparent. Question 19 can the components of a colloid be separated by filtration? Answer no, the components of a colloid cannot be separated by ordinary filtration. Question 20 give 4 examples of colloidal solution. Answer 1 milk. 2 blood. 3 starch solution. 4 soap solution. Question 21 name the methods used to purify the colloidal solutions. Answer 1 dialysis. 2 electrolysis. 3 ultrafiltration. Question 22 what do you mean by a transparent substance? Answer any substance through which light can pass through and we can see the things of other side clearly is called transparent substance. Question 23 give 2 examples of transparent substances. Answer air and water. Question 24 what are translucent substances? Answer any substance through which small amount of light can pass through and we cannot see the things of other side clearly are called translucent. Question 25 what do you mean by opaque substances? Answer any substance through which light cannot pass is known as opaque substance. Chapter 6 Question 1 what is a compound? Answer a compound is a substance composed of 2 or more elements chemically combined with one another. A pure compound always contains definite or constant proportions of the elements by mass. Question 2 what is a mixture? Answer a mixture contains more than one substance, elements and compounds. A mixture can be separated by physical means into 2 or more substances. Also, a mixture has a variable composition. Question 3 what are the characteristics of a mixture? Answer characteristics of a mixture are 1. The components of mixture can be separated by specific physical methods. 2. Mixture has a homogeneous or a heterogeneous composition. 3. The components are mixed in any ratios. Question 4. Give 3 examples of mixtures. Ans 1. Air. 2. Milk. 3. Blood. Question 5. What is a homogeneous mixture? Answer. The mixture in which the components are mixed in a uniform form is called a homogeneous mixture. Question 6. What is a heterogeneous mixture? Answer. When the constituents of a mixture are not uniformly distributed, then the mixture is heterogeneous. Question 7. Can we separate the contents of mixture by ordinary physical methods? Answer. Yes. Question 8. Give 2 examples of homogeneous mixtures. Answer. First, sugar solution. Second, common salt solution. Question 9. Give 2 examples of heterogeneous mixtures. Answer. First, a mixture of sand and salt. Second, a mixture of iron filings and sulfur. Question 10. Give 2 examples of liquid elements. Answer. Mercury and bromine are liquid elements. Question 11. Give 2 examples of gaseous elements. Answer. Chlorine and helium are gaseous elements. Question 12. Is water a mixture or a compound? Answer. Water is a compound. Question 13. Is air a mixture or a compound? Answer. Air is a mixture. Question 14. Write down 2 differences between mixture and compound. Answer. First, the components of a compound are present in a fixed ratio, but the components of a mixture can be present in any ratio. Second, the components of a compound do not retain their individual properties, but the components of a mixture retain their individual properties. Question 15. Give 2 examples of a compound. Answer. Sodium chloride, glucose and ammonia. Question 16. Can the particles of mixture be seen with naked eyes? Answer. Yes. Question 17. Why distilled water is a compound? Answer. Distilled water is a compound because its components are mixed in definite ratio by volume to ratio 1, and they cannot be separated by ordinary physical methods. Question 18. Which compound is formed when iron reacts with sulfur? Answer. Iron sulfide, Fez. Question 19. What happens when iron sulfide reacts with carbon disulfide? Answer. No change occurs. Question 20. Why air is regarded as a mixture? Answer. The ratio of the components of air is not fixed, rather it varies from place to place. Chapter 7. Question 1. What is a mixture? Answer. A combination of 2 or more substances is called a mixture. Question 2. How mixtures can be separated into pure substances? Answer. Using suitable separation methods or processes. Question 3. Name 2 processes by which the components of a mixture can be separated. Answer. Filtration, evaporation, sublimation, distillation, decantation, etc. Question 4. What is sublimation? Answer. Direct change of a solid into vapor or gas is called sublimation. Question 5. Define filtration. Answer. The process of removing an insoluble substance from a solution of a soluble substance with the help of a filter paper is known as filtration. Question 6. What do you mean by direct change? Answer. Change from solid to gas without going to liquid state is called direct change. Question 7. What is evaporation? Answer. The process of slow conversion of a liquid into vapor state is known as evaporation. Question 8. What is decantation? Answer. The process of pouring off the clear liquid above the sediment, when a mixture is dissolved in water and then allowed to stand, is known as decantation. Question 9. Which separation method is suitable for the separation of the components of a mixture of sand and sugar? Answer. Filtration and evaporation. Question 10. What is distillation? Answer. It is a process used for the separation of components of a mixture containing 2 miscible liquids that boil without decomposition and have sufficient difference in their boiling points. Question 11. How will you separate ammonium chloride from sand and salt? Answer. By the method of sublimation. Question 12. When a mixture of sand and common salt is dissolved in water and then filtered, what component of the mixture is left out as residue? Answer. Sand. Question 13. Name a few substances that undergo sublimation. Answer. Ammonium chloride, camphor, iodine, naphthalene, etc. Question 14. Name a few substances that are soluble in water. Answer. Common salt, sugar, alum, copper sulfate, etc. यह वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा? अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें तथा वीडियो को शेयर करें, साथ ही कमेंट भी करें।